Okay guys, ngayon tikman natin ang ating ginawang peach using a multigrain bread. Okay? Wala akong pandesal today. So we're gonna use multigrain bread for today. Okay? So we'll do ang sarap. So we'll do peach on top of the bread. Ayan. Init pa ha. See, it's still steamy. Sarap. Init pa oh. Sarap. Init. So, tikman natin ang peach. Yan o. Peach palaman. Init pa. Yummy. Sarap. Tikman pa natin. Init. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye. Sarap guys.